What if I tell you choosing the wrong bolt size can cause a complete machine failure? In this video, I will show you how to select a correct bolt size step by step with real engineering calculation. Hi, I am Pratik, a mechanical design engineer, and today in this video we will learn bolt sizing using calculations using industry. We need to select a bolt for hold two plates carrying a load of 5000 newtons. How we decide a bolt diameter safely? First, understand types of load. Tensile load is pulling force, shear load is a sideway force, and combined load real world condition. Now the most important step is calculation. We have a given data, we have a load 5000 newton, and for plates we consider a mild steel material and also considering factor of safety 2 times. First, calculate allowable shear stress, and for mild steel we know yield strength is 250 megapascal. So allowable shear stress sigma is equal to 250 divided by 2. So it becomes 125 megapascal. Now calculate area, and area is equal to force upon allowable shear stress. So area is equal to 5000 divided by 125. So we have a area 40 mm square. Now the most important step is diameter calculations, and we all are know the bolt diameter are in circular shape. So formula is area is equal to pi by 4 d square. Put the values in the formula. So our diameter becomes 7.1 mm. So in our case, the required diameter is 7.1 mm, but always select a standard available diameter. And the standard sizes are available M6, M8 and M10. We choose M8 in our case for safety. We have some pro tips. In real design, always check shear stress, thread stripping, bolt grade 8.8, 10.9 like this. If you want more practical design videos like this, please subscribe. In the next video, I will show you bolt sizing for dynamic loads. Thank you.